Hey guys, what's up? It's Leon here. Thank you that you found me again on YouTube, or if it's your first video, I'm very happy too. Yeah, welcome to my second video here on YouTube. Today I would like to analyze the Tesla share with you, and I would like to try to guess the future prices using the Elliott Wave theory. Thank you. Before I start, let's take a quick look at exactly what you can expect in today's video. Finally, I will give you feedback on my first video, how the price of the Link coin actually went, and yeah, maybe what I could improve, but let's get started. Yeah, this time I would like to explain to you exactly why I think we're in a good moment to buy the Tesla share. Of course, this is no financial advice, but I just want to share my thoughts with you and explain why I think that we are in a good moment, and maybe you learn a little bit for your Elliott Wave theory skills, and yeah, let's see where it takes to. All in all, it would be very helpful if you already know a little bit about the Elliott Wave theory and the basic pattern. There are many YouTubers outside that uploaded great videos and help you learning and understanding the basics. But of course you can stay with me and watch the video, because I try to explain the basics too, but not in such a detailed way. Yeah, but for now, let's look at the 4-hour Tesla chart. As you can see, I've already placed some letters and numbers in here, and these letters and numbers I would like to explain to you. We have wave 1 in the square brackets and wave 2 in the square brackets, and as you can see, wave 2 is a descending wave. In the Elliott Wave theory, the wave 2 is very often a descending wave, and it happens very often in an ABC pattern, as you can see. So the A is the first low in wave 2, then it goes up to a B, and then again down to a wave C. And yeah, I marked this here in the chart, and this is a very good chart. It could be printed in textbooks, and the ABC pattern is very pretty. And because this wave 2 is so beautiful, we can say that most likely wave 2 is over now, and we are about to build wave 3. Wave 3 often contains 5 subwaves, and as you can see in the chart, we finished the first 2 waves and are now right about to finish wave 3. Wave 3 often finishes at about 160 to 161% of wave 1, and I marked this in the chart, and you can see that we are already far above this percentage level, and now about 200%. So it's the chart is telling us we have a very strong ascending movement here, and the wave 3 in the actual Tesla chart is very strong. So this was the Elliott Wave pattern we see here on the chart, in my opinion. And now it's becoming very interesting, because now we start to try to forecast the chart. And our next wave would be wave number 4. And the wave 4 often descends about 38% of the rising of wave 3. So we go down about 38%. I've marked this in the chart, also with the red arrow. And yeah, so we think that wave 4 might end in this region. Of course, you can never tell if wave 3 already reached its top or if it will rise further. But if we buy now the Tesla stock and wave 3 will rise even more, it will play out very good for us. And yeah, so I see a very good buying opportunity here now in the Tesla stock, because after wave 4 went a little bit down, we have a wave 5 in the Elliott Wave theory, and this wave 5 will mostly surpass the top of wave 3, and because of the strong movement in the Tesla chart and the very strong rising in wave 3, we can expect a new all-time high at this chart. So I expect the wave 5 to be at least $1,200 per share, if not even 1,243. And based on the Elliott waves, I see in the long term even prices going up to $1,600 per share. But this will take some time. At first, I see the prices going up to 1,243, like I already said. And yeah, I hoped I could help you using the Elliott waves to predict and forecast some stock prices and share prices. And yeah, if you like the video, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. And as you can see right here, this is our last video, and you can see that the link forecast happened very well. We spoke about reaching a price level about 38. Yeah, and as you can see, the price $38 per coin, per link coin, was really touched. And I'm very happy that my first video here on YouTube was a good forecast and that the price forecast really happened at this time. Now this is the second video here, and I'm very excited if the price will touch our forecast sayings again, or if something different happens. But all in all, we learn in every analysis. And yeah, in my third video, I hope we will know more about the Tesla stock. And yeah, if you have any stocks that you would like to analyze or speak about, please tell me. And thank you for watching. I'm very new here, and I would really appreciate if this video get about 10 views. And I hope even if there's just one person I could help with this analysis, it would make me very happy. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. Your Leon.